Are you looking to make a simple professional website for your property business, quick and easy? Great, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to create a website for your property business in 5 minutes. And guess what? It's on a platform that only costs $9 a month too. So it's really simple and straightforward to do this. Now I'm going to break this down for you, even if you have no coding experience, you're brand new, even your business is brand new, or if you've been around a while and you just want something cheaper and easier to manage for your business, this video is going to be for you. So let me show you exactly how this works. Okay, so I'm using Mighty Sites. The link's down in the description below this video. But all you do is you simply go to start your free trial. There's a 7-day free trial. And then you go in here and you just search property. And you see a bunch of templates pop up. There are templates all through here for all types of local businesses, like literally hundreds, if not thousands at this point. So you just go in, you search property, and you just select, you see property maintenance, property manager, whatever it is. And you just say Keegan's property manager business, right? Doesn't matter. You just put the name of your business, type of business. It's a service, you put your location, and then United States, and you click go. And then what happens is it's going to show you this video, which I recommend you check out. It just shows you like the basics of how to go through and customize the template. So it makes it really easy and straightforward of how this system actually works. And then as I go down here, you can see examples. So you can also see how flexible this platform is and the different types of sites that can be built and all the different looks that you can achieve no matter what type of local business you're building a site for. So once I come here, you can see that it's already got images, descriptions, and all of this laid out for me, which is really nice to give me a start. And all I have to do is customize it from here. And there's some really, it's a very easy platform to customize. So like, for instance, I want to add my phone number probably. So I just go in and put my phone number, save, and there it is. If I have a Facebook page for my business, I just put in like the link to my Facebook page. We'll just say Mighty Sites and then save it. And now the link, the Facebook link is there. So, and I can do that for any of the stuff here that I need. I can go in here and I can actually add a logo. So if I want to go in here and just create a logo, I can do that simple and easy. And let me just say like, let's see what comes up when we do property. So if you don't have a logo, use Canva, it's free. So like, here's a nice logo. We'll just download this logo for real estate so that you can see what this looks like. So let me just go here, download. And the reason I want to show you this is because there's so many powerful tools for doing images in this system. So I'm just going to browse here, logo for real estate. Here it is. I'm going to upload it. And then once it uploads, I just click on this little pencil here and I actually get all these editing tools for any image that I upload. So you can like customize the image to what you want it to look like. So I'm just going to click done there. And then once that loads, I'm going to click save. Awesome. And now you can see my logo there and I can make it bigger, smaller. So you can see this website comes along pretty quickly. Now for this, it's just point and click to edit anything. So just say, if I want to change this to Keegan, the property guy, whatever my name is, right? And then I can edit any of this. I can add subtext. I can add a subtitle, additional text. I can also go to update the images, so I can connect my Instagram, browse my computer, or I can search the photo library of 5 million photos and search whatever I want. These are all pre-licensed stock photos. There's literally 5 million of them that you can choose from to add to your site as well. So that makes it really nice and easy to customize there. Again, all point and click to edit. By default, like your call to action buttons are going to, so if I click on this, they're going to go to your lead form. So you can see here, but you can go in and change any of these as well. So if you want your update action to go to, you know, maybe you want it to go to a click to call, or you have a PDF of information, or you link out to like a calendar or booking site, you can do that too and paste that in here. Any of those are fine, but for most of the time, you just want it to go to your lead form, which is really nice. So I just select lead form, confirm, save, close. And now when someone clicks on contact us, it brings them right here to become a lead. And then you can click on stop editing. You can see site's coming along great. I can change out any of these images, big impact on the look of the site, customize it to kind of fit how I look. And then I go to the site dashboard and I can connect a domain that I own or buy a new domain right through the system. Really easy to do there. And then I can view all my new leads or inquiries right here through this inbox as well. And that's it. That's how in 5 minutes you build a website that's simple, professional, and launch it for your property business. If you like this video, hit that like and subscribe so you can learn all the ways you can customize and grow your business using Mighty Sites. And we'll catch you in the next video.